what's up, people? My name's Mo Gilligan.
I'm Matt.
And I'm Tommy.
And I'm here at the eBay Zone on this incredible race weekend at Silverstone.
I brought along with me my GT3 RS.
It's my first time ever in a GT3 RS. Do you know this?
Can't believe that.
You know by default, I was going to put this in. Off the dome, what is the best car you've ever driven?
The Murcielago is the best car I've ever driven.
V8 or V12?
V12.
V12.
Buy it or build it?
Build it.
Buy it. I'm a buy guy. I have exquisite taste.
Okay, this is drive.
We're driving the petrol.
Own the petrol.
We'll keep the hybrid.
Good for tax.
And that's a wrap from us at Silverstone.
I think when I saw the first Bugatti that we created, I thought, what is the next car, no? Because now we reached the top level of the hypercars, no? But in my mind, now I'm thinking, let's go to Pagani or to Koenigsegg. This is the next step. Hi guys, and welcome to Venuum. We have a big surprise this week. Venuum want to show the world what the team can do. And what we have is the first wide-body Chiron in the world. I think it's the first time that some company do the development for a hypercar. And we are very happy that not only one client trusting us to do this project, we have two clients now that they are doing this amazing project. One is the Chiron and the other is the Chiron Pure Sport. And we will show the world what Venuum can do.
Luxury car entrepreneur is turning custom cars into $1 million global empire. This is Venuum, a luxury car entrepreneur who builds high-end custom vehicles. From Spain to Dubai's elite car scene, he didn't inherit success, he engineered it, starting with nothing but vision and obsession for cars. He built Venuum Black, a brand that doesn't just customize vehicles, it creates rolling statements. In a city full of millionaires, he chose to stand out, not fit in. Blending performance, design, and exclusivity, he's building a global name in luxury automotive. Pressure, competition, constant innovation, that's the real game, and he's playing it at the highest level.
You're a better trader than that. Don't get emotional. Come on. But wait until you see that result.
Hi guys, and welcome to Venuum. Today we need to show you something special.
Wow. Damn! Woo!
That's my day. That's my day. We designed and built these. 2,000 horsepower. We just did launch control.
So now this is a good thing.
Woo!
This should be less than 2 seconds, 0 to 60. There you go. Oh, jeez. 1.1 G, 1.2.
Wow!
Damn!
Never experienced anything like that.
No, it's gone. That's real presentation. That's real presentation right there. Okay.
Wow.
No, it's gone. That's. So world premiere. Will Smith makes donuts. Let's go. Woo! There you go, man. That's how it's done.
7 days away from opening up the trading floor, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it looks like about $800,000 to $900,000 later. We come outside. Basketball court, tennis court is done. Paintball field is being finished now. And the roof for the paintball field, horse stables. This has been a journey for the last 2 to 3 months. Honestly, I thought that this was going to happen a lot faster, but it's a learning progress. And I'm very excited to share this with you guys in 7 days once I officially open this up. This is private to students only. It is not available to just anybody to show up. Looking for prop firm to be parts of the trading floor, and many of you guys got this confused. I am not looking for this for my personal gain. Dozens of different prop firms offered me six-figure deals to be part of their prop firm, and I said no. This is not for my personal gain. I don't need an extra 50, 60K a month, which makes sense why so many of these trading influencer gurus promote dozens of different prop firms. They do it for their personal gain. I don't need an extra 20, 30, 40, 50K a month. I need for the traders that are going to be trading inside of this trading floor to have correct market conditions, no inconsistency rules, no hidden rules, and just unethical market conditions. I'm doing this for the interest of the traders that are going to be here. So I'm still looking for a prop firm to work with, so they're part of the trading floor. And I might have one that has some type of regulation and has been around a quite long time. And it's purely for the interest of the traders, not for my personal gain. I don't need an extra 20, 30K from an affiliate code.
I never had this before.
My car. What happened?
First time. You know, it's my first time I heard it. That's insane. It's so loud.
Real monster, eh?
Real monster.
We are Venuum.
Hey David, do you know where I can find the Venom Black people?
I have something very exciting.
I'm excited because I know that your surprise is always when you call me something new, fresh, and crazy.
Well, listen, Jake Paul called me, and he's got a good friend, as you know, Alex Gonzalez. I met with Alex. Car is very famous.
Yes, I got my new Bugatti Chiron, and I'm here at Dunkin' Donuts right now, not to get a donut. That's pretty hard. Yo.
Wow.
And it's been doing its rounds and rounds around the world on the internet. You know, they came and they said, listen, we need some help. We want to make this car the most extraordinary wide body Bugatti. They love Venom.
This is more crazy than the last time. The last job that was only in 2 months to create something crazy for Jake Paul.
You know, these guys are super professionals. You know, Matt Armstrong is working with him. Matt is amazing at restoring and rebuilding hypercars, supercars. He's been doing it. He's, you know, has vast experience. And Matt is going to be the one helping us. Alex is working with a company in Miami, Black Horse. That's going to do the installation.
Okay,
I know.
Okay, you are a crazy guy.
Yes, bro.
We will follow also your vision there from USA.
I don't want to be hard on Bugatti. I'm not trying to be negative because this is such an epic brand. But why? Why is it so hard to read off a parts list and just tell me how much they would charge me to have my car in their workshop and fit me a new gearbox?
Can't do that in a garage. There's just a few places in the world with the right equipment and only a few people in the world with the right training to be able to do that. So why do we not support this? Because it's not safe.